everyone, this is Ayushi Jain and welcome back to my channel Fix Your English with Ayushi. I am Ayushi Jain and today I'm going to tell you about the 7 C's of communication. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. But before moving into the video, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, hit the bell icon and don't forget to share this video to everyone. So yeah, let's begin. So for an effective communication, there are 7 C's which are very important, and these C's are completeness, conciseness, consideration, clarity, concreteness, courtesy and correctness. So let us understand one by one. So the first C is completeness. So the communication must be complete. There is very important factor in communication, that is it should be completed. It should convey all the important facts properly. Complete communication helps in better decision making by the receiver of message. The second C is conciseness. Conciseness means wordliness, or that is communicating what you want to convey in limited words or in least possible words. Conciseness is very important for an effective communication, and it saves both time and cost. It highlights the main point of message and cut out the unnecessary parts of the message. The third C is consideration. Consideration means stepping into the shoes of others. For example, effective communication must take the audience into its consideration. For examples, audience point of view, background, mindset, educational level, etc. The next C is clarity. It is again a very important C of communication, and it implies the emphasis on a specific message or goal at a time, rather than trying to achieve more at one time. So it makes understanding better. The complete clarity of thoughts and ideas enhances the quality of message. The next C is concreteness. Concrete communication implies being particular and clear than fuzzy and general. Concreteness strengthens the confidence. It is supported with specific facts and figures. It makes the use of words that are clear and build the reputation. The next C of communication is courtesy. Courtesy in message implies the message should show the expression of senders as well as show the respect to the receiver. It is very important to have courtesy in your communication to build a better reputation and to strengthen up your confidence. There should not be any abusive words or informal words during communication. So yeah, the next C is correctness. Correctness in message implies that there should be no grammatical errors in communication. The message should be exact, correct and well timed. If the communication is correct, then it builds up the confidence level. Correct message has greater impact on the audience. So it is very important to have correct words and correct grammar in your communication. So the next question arises is why communication is important. So as we know that communication is very important if you want to move ahead in your career. So there are some points that show the importance of communication. The first one is in resolving conflicts or disputes. Communication is very important to resolve the conflicts and disputes arises among the sender and receiver. The next thing is knowledge. Communication is very important to learn new things and gain knowledge about the various things. The next is communication is very important for building genuine friends and relationships. Communication is very important for sharing your emotions and feelings. As we know that the business exists because of the communication. The better communication between the sender and receiver, or the buyer and seller, is very important. So it is very important to have an effective communication. So yeah, that's a wrap up for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you had, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video to everyone. I see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay home, bye.